So what state are you from?
Delta State.
Are you Delta Igbo?
We don't agree that we are Igbo actually, so we are Delta.
And what part of Delta? We have multiple tribes in Delta.
Ogwashuku.
Ogwashiku.
Yes.
Some people argue that you guys are inferior, fake Igbo. Do you think you are more of Igbo, like someone from Anambra?
We are not Igbo, so we are not trying to compete if we are Igbo or not.
You just say you are from Ogbola Chukuna.
I say Ogwashuku.
But you speak Igbo, you bear Igbo names and all.
Yes.
You speak Igbo.
I don't speak Igbo.
Okay, you don't speak Igbo.
Yes.
But you are often referred to as Delta Igbo, right?
Yes.
You are still Igbo now.
No. No, but it's not a matter of debate, but okay, let me agree with you.
The king of your village, what is title they refer to him as?
I don't know.
Igwe or?
Igwe, yes.
And you are saying you are not Igbo.
The lady there said that they don't agree that they are Igbo, so they are Delta. Delta is now the identity of Ogwashuku people. Matured lady like this, not know where she come from. She don't know her identity. You speak Igbo language, you bear Igbo name, you observe Igbo culture and tradition. Your food is Igbo, your music is Igbo, your dance is Igbo, your deities is Igbo. You are still saying that you are not an Igbo person, that you are Delta. Now why they have to see Anioma person become best graduating students for Russia? Now why they have to see Anioma person become best graduating students for China, for UK, for US? You can never see Anioma people there. Now this kind of mindset they cause am. Go around the world, make you see how our Igbo brothers for Southeast, they break record for China, Russia, UK, US. Igbo students from the Southeast, they break record. Anioma not dey there. Ikwere not dey there because they don't know where they come from. They don't know who they are. It's so shameful. If you go Southeast, every Igbo community is there. Ask them, what tribe are you? They will tell you they are Igbo. What is your ethnic nationality? They will tell you they are Igbo. But if you come to Anioma land here, some kind of people will tell you that they are not Igbo, that they are Delta. Somika, Oshimiri, and the Anyacha people will tell you the same thing. Delta is now the identity of some Anioma people. Ndị Ogwashi, ka kunu si emu wata. Nwa agbo ha ntu enweghị uche ọma ha onwe. Delta is not the tribal identity of anyone all over the world. No tribe for this world, their name be Delta. We Anioma people are Igbo people. Okwan is an Igbo tribe. Ika is an Igbo tribe. Enuane is an Igbo tribe. They are all Igbo people. Delta is just the political name of this our states that we find ourselves. Delta is not a tribal identity. If we get Anioma state, are we still Delta people? No. The young man asked her, what tribe is she from? That there are many tribes in Delta state. She said that she is Ogwashuku. Is Ogwashuku a tribe? No. Ogwashuku is just a community. A single community is not a tribe. A tribe is a group of communities that speak the same dialects, observe the same culture and tradition. That is a tribe. For example, Okwane is a tribe. Ika is a tribe. Ikwere is a tribe. They are all Igbo tribes. She's not Igbo, she's Delta. What is your tribe? Ogwashuku. Egwo, ndị Ogwashuku egwo, kakuno se mwata egwo. The young man told her that some people are saying that we Anioma people are fake Igbos. He now asked her, what do you say to that? She replied saying, Ogwashuku is not Igbo, that they are not competing whether they are Igbos or not. Egwo, ndị Ogwashuku egwo. The girl no just know anything. No Igbo is more Igbo than another Igbo. The Igbos in the Southeast are not more Igbo than we Anioma people. And we Anioma people are not more Igbo than our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Now, mumu Igbo person, they call another Igbo person fake Igbo. If you be Igbo person, be say, you don't say, Nda Anioma abure Igbo Igbo, Nda abure ndi Igbo. Anybody will talk like that na mumu, you not get sense. The leader of Ndi Igbo is unity. Any Igbo person that is trying to destroy that unity is an Ozwa. That person, check that person origin where that person not get Igbo origin. A true Igbo person cannot call another Igbo person fake Igbo. Let's leave that one for another day. I will do video concerning that issue. She said that Ogwashuku people are not Igbo people, that they are not competing for that. Where did Ogwashuku people migrate from? Ogwashuku people migrated from Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. Let me explain that name, Ogwashuku. Ogwa means court. Nshi is what Anioma people calls Nri. Ogwa Nri. Ogwa Nshi. That uku there means great. Ogwa Nshi uku. That word Ogwashuku is Ogwa Nshi uku. Ogwa Nshi, the great. That is the meaning of that name Ogwashuku. Yet, the girl say they not be Igbo people. She don't know her history. So many youths from Anioma, they don't know their history. That is why you will see so many of them online saying rubbish. You will see someone from our kingdom in Nikaland. He will tell you, we are our people, we are not Igbo people. The Obi of our said that they are from Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. Say, they are our people in Nikaland, migrated from Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. Our kingdom is where Ifan Yokowa came from. The ancestry of Ifan Yokowa is in Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. Yet, you go see some use for that place. They will tell you, say, Owa is not of Igbo origin. They don't know their history. Come Kwani land, the same thing. Oshimili and Anyacha land, the same thing. Ibuzo people migrated from Isu in Imo State. So many Ibuzo people will tell you that Ndi Ibuzo abuho Ndi Igbo. They will tell you that Ibuzo is not Igbo. Ibuzo elders will tell you that their ancestors are from Isu in Imo State. But some Ibuzo youths will tell you that Ibuzo is not Igbo. Why? They don't know their history. Ignorant people everywhere. All they know how to do is Ayabuhondi Igbo. We are not Igbo people. Ayabuhondi Igbo. We are Delta. We are Niger Delta. We are South South. That is the only thing they know. She said that they speak Igbo, bear Igbo names, but they are not Igbo. If you are not an Igbo person, why are you speaking Igbo language? Why are you bearing Igbo name? Urhobo people are Urhobo people because their names are Urhobo names. Their language is Urhobo language. Their culture and tradition is Urhobo. That is why they are Urhobo people. Yariba people are Yariba people because their language is Yariba. Their culture and tradition is Yariba. Hausa people are Hausa people because their language, culture and tradition is Hausa. Fulani is Fulani because their language, culture and tradition is Fulani. Efik people are Efik people because their language, culture and tradition is Efik. Why is it that Ogwashuku people that are speaking Igbo language, observing Igbo culture and tradition are not Igbo people according to this girl? Egwo. Okonjo Iweala, that is the most powerful Igbo woman in the world. She is from Ogwashuku. She is proud of her Igbo identity. She represents Igbo. Yet, the poor ones from Ogwashuku, they thought say they not be Igbo people. Okonjo Iweala is a Zendiom, Alusia Ijaw. She is from Ogwashuku. She is a proud Igbo woman. The poor ones from Ogwashuku, they thought say they not be Igbo people. Where is the origin of Ogwashuku? Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. Yet, their daughter, they here, they disgrace herself online. Why you be saying that poor people they thought say they not be Igbo people, but the rich ones are proud of their Igbo identity? Why? You are being referred to as Delta Igbo, but you are not Igbo. The people that are referring to you as Delta Igbo, you think say they not get sense? They are referring to you as Delta Igbo because your language, culture, and tradition is Igbo. That is why we Anioma people are being referred to as Delta Igbo. If to say na Urhobo we dey speak, they will never call us Delta Igbo. If to say na Ijaw we dey speak, they will never call us Delta Igbo. We go soon get Anioma state comot from this Delta state. Make I see whether una go still dey identify as Delta people. She said that she don't know how to speak her language. That the king of Ogwashuku community is called Igwe. Egwo. This girl don lost. She don't know how to speak Ogwashuku, her own language. The king of Ogwashuku is called Obi. Obi of Ogwashuku. She thought say na Igwe. Your king is called Igwe, yet you are not Igbo. Egwo, ndi Ogwashuku, egwo. If you don't know what to answer, just tell the person that wants to interview you that you don't want to answer. Instead of coming online to disgrace yourself, just shut up your mouth. Those set of Anioma people that feel that by denying their Igbo identity, the federal government of Nigeria will take them as their own. Person where purposely they deny him Igbo identity, you think say federal government of Nigeria go trust am? No, they not go trust such person. Someone that can deny his identity just to be favored by the federal government of Nigeria cannot be trusted. That person is a dangerous person. You know say you be Igbo, you don't say no, you not be Igbo person. You think say federal government go see you as human being, they will just say, look at this idiot. Who is he trying to fool? Federal government will just be like, look at this idiot. Kaduna Zogo, brother. You want to deceive us. They play. You don't know that if you are from Anioma, federal government, they see you as Kaduna Zogo. Because Kaduna Zogo is Igbo from Anioma. You too, you are Igbo from Anioma. Saying that you are not an Igbo person is a waste of time. You be Kaduna Zogo, brother, from Anioma. The 1966 coup was tagged an Igbo coup. Whenever you say that you are from Anioma, federal government go just tell you, say, na Zogo people be this. If Kaduna Zogo is not from Anioma land, that he is from Ijaw, the 1966 coup will not be called an Igbo coup. You will be Igbo person who come from Anioma land, they tell say, you are not Igbo. You want to see federal government. Hausa people not they go school, Fulani people not they go school, but they know their identity. Why? If you come Anioma land, you gonna see Anioma people that say, we they go school, you they go school. You don't know yourself, you don't know where you came from, you don't know the meaning of tribe, you don't know the meaning of ethnic nationality. Just they throw away school fees money. Ogwashuku people, start educating your children about their origin. Educate them about who they are. This is what this girl do now is a disgrace. She the disgrace of Ogwashuku people. She don't even know the title of the king of Ogwashuku. She don't know how to speak Ogwashuku language. How she go to know how to speak Ogwashuku language where they say her tribe is Delta? Ishegwale.